How to change your username in TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to change your username in TikTok. To begin, open your TikTok app by clicking on its icon. Once the app is successfully open, go to your For You page, where you can find the profile icon. Click on it. Now, on your profile page, you can see Edit Profile. So click on Edit Profile. As you can see, there is an option to edit your username. Click on it. Now, enter your new username and then set it. There you go. You have successfully changed your username on TikTok. That wraps for today. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.